Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode for themes in Salesforce. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you're working in Salesforce with access to setup options. Look to the top right of your screen, click the gear icon at the top, and then select Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the admin area where appearance settings live. Once you're in Setup, use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Type Themes and Branding and select it. This is where Salesforce manages the visual layer, including logos, colors, and theme controls that apply across your org. On the Themes and Branding page, locate the active theme. You'll know which one is active because there's a check mark in the active column. Hover over that theme, click the small caret icon to open more options, and then choose Edit. In the Edit view, look for the option labeled Let Users Enable Dark Mode and check that box. This doesn't immediately switch everyone to dark mode. Instead, it turns on the capability so people can choose for themselves. It's a great way to respect personal preferences while keeping your branding intact. Now click Save. Your theme updates are applied, and the dark mode toggle becomes available to users. From this point on, anyone in your org can click their profile image at the top right and pick how Salesforce should look like: dark, light, or set to follow their computer's appearance settings, and that's it. So that's basically how you can enable dark mode for themes in Salesforce. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.